3.
Respected sir and madam, a pleasant good evening to one and all. This is S. Akshaya. I am pursuing in 8th standard. Today I am telling one wonderful seminar in front of great people like you. My seminar subject is biology and my seminar topic is production of management food from plants. Do you know friends how many states in our country? Yes, of course, there are 29 states in our country. In each state, the farmers all cultivated different types of crops. Our state is mainly dependent on paddy crop. We are dependent on plants. The plants which are grown to largest number, that is known as crops. There are two types of main crops is there, Rabi and Kharif. Rabi crop is nothing but it is grown in winter season and also it is during in November and April. Do you know friends what is mean by Kharif crop? Yes, of course, Kharif crop is nothing but water is an essential for growing of crops. Kharif crop is grown in rainy season and also it is during in June or October. For example, jowar, cotton. It is the best examples of Kharif crop. Are you understand friends? Yes, I hope you all are understood. Okay, let's go to another topic. Do you know friends what is mean by long-term crops? Yes, in fact, long-term crops is nothing but some crops like growing in like red gram, black gram takes a minimum 180 days for more for harvesting. That is known as long-term crops. Do you know friends what is mean by short-term crops? Yes, of course, short-term crops is nothing but some crops like black gram, green gram takes a minimum 100 days for harvesting. That is known as short-term crops. Are you understand friends? Yes, I hope you all are understood. Okay, let's go to another topic. Do you know friends what is mean by types of seeding? Yes, of course, types of seeding is nothing but to germinate the fields. That is known as types of seeding. Do you know friends there are two types of main seed drills is there. What are they? Yes, of course, seed drill and modern seed drill. Seed drill, do you know friends? Yes, of course, seed drill is nothing but is an instrument to show seeds. It is a funnel-like device on the top of the show seeds. The farmers are distanced to the plants. The farmers selected to 3 to 6 piped on seed drills. That is known as seed drill. Do you know friends what is mean by modern seed drill? Yes, of course, modern seed drill is nothing but nowadays the tractors are sophisticated with the seed drill. The seed drill is attached to the tractor to 5 to 6 rows to sow the seeds. That is known as types of seeding. Now I will show one picture of modern seed drill. This is a picture of modern seed drill. Next, do you know friends what is mean by artificial manure chemical fertilizers? Yes, in fact, artificial manure chemical fertilizers is nothing but it is prepared in factories to call sold and chemical fertilizer. It is sold in market. It is called urea. Urea is nothing but it is presented on diseases When we are used to urea, we have so many diseases to solve it. Materials of urea: nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Now I will show one picture of urea. This is the picture of urea. Are you understand, friends? Yes, I hope you all are understood. Do you know, friends? Showing the storing. Yes, of course. Preparing the soil, applying manure, irrigation system, crop harvesting, weeding, showing the seeds. Preparing the soil. Do you know, friends? Preparing the soil is nothing but to germinate the farmers, that is known as preparing the soil. Do you know, friends? What is meant by applying and ploughing manure? Yes, of course. Artificial and ploughing manure is nothing but it is plots by bounds, that is known as artificial and manure. Do you know, friends, what is meant by irrigation system? Yes, irrigation system is nothing but irrigation system is nothing but water filled is and soil, that is known as irrigation system. Do you know, friends, what is meant by drip irrigation? Yes, of course. Drip irrigation is nothing but water sold in the soil, that is known as drip irrigation. Do you know, friends, what is meant by micro irrigation? Yes, of course. Micro irrigation is nothing but is an method irrigation of system. It is to prepare it to reduce to fertility, that is known as micro irrigation. Do you know, friends, what is meant by crop harvesting? Yes, of course. It is nothing but an example of the crop harvesting. It is most important of the sowing of storing and agriculture, that is known as crop harvesting. Do you know, friends, what is meant by weeding? Yes, weeding is nothing but it is showing the seeds, that is known as weeding. Do you know, friends, what is meant by chemical pesticides? Yes, of course. Pesticides is nothing but to caterpillars, grasshoppers are sophisticated with the pesticides, that is known as pesticides. Thanking you for spending this valuable time and watching my video. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind.